Amazfit GTR2 goes up for pre-order in India, price starting at 12,999 rupees. Earlier last week, Xiaomi-backed Xiaomi had confirmed that it will launch 3 new smartwatches in India before the end of 2020. First up, we have the Amazfit GTR2, which was said to arrive on December 17th. But, it seems like Xiaomi could not keep its excitement under check and has launched the Amazfit GTR2 in India today. It is now available for pre-order on Flipkart. Amazfit GTR2, specifications. This smartwatch sports a circular 1.39-inch AMOLED screen with a 454 by 454 pixel resolution and peak brightness up to 450 nits. It has 2 interactive buttons on the right edge. Amazfit GTR2 comes in 2 variants, namely Sports, Aluminium Alloy Body, and Classic, Stainless Steel Body, Edition. While the former weighs 31.5 grams, the latter is slightly heavier and comes in at 39 grams. Both the variants include a proprietary BioTracker 2 sensor, which includes PPG and SPO2 sensors. This makes the watch capable of not only tracking your heart rate and sleep but also track your blood oxygen levels. It is a common demand among users, especially with the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Other health features include activity tracking, stress levels, and 12 types of sports. The Amazfit GTR2 can track the following: outdoor running, walking, indoor cycling, open water swimming, elliptical, pool swimming, climbing, trail running, treadmill, skiing, free training, and outdoor cycling. The smartwatch is 580m/50m water resistant and connects to your Android or iOS device via the Zep app over Bluetooth 5.0. There's built-in GPS for accurate activity tracking, minus the need to carry a smartphone, and 3GB storage for offline, standalone music playback on Amazfit GTR2. There's also a 471 mAh battery on board, and the company claims to offer up to 14 days of battery life. The watch can survive up to 38 days in basic watch mode, which is great. Price and availability. The Amazfit GTR2 is priced at 12,999 rupees for the Sports Edition and 13,499 rupees for the Classic Edition in India. This smartwatch will be up for pre-order from today, 11th December, until 17th December, when it goes on sale via Flipkart. You will receive an additional replaceable strap with your purchase during the pre-order period. Besides the launch of the Amazfit GTR2, the company has also teased the upcoming launch of the Amazfit GTS2 on Amazon India. The rumors of GTS2 Mini making its India debut have also been around for some time. Stay tuned for more updates.